What's going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio on your Mac. Please stay tuned to find out how to do so. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is open up your favorite browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox and all those other ones. So just go ahead and go to the search bar up here, not down here. Go to this and just type in obsproject.com. Now it's going to take you to the OBS website. You're going to click download OBS Studio and then click macOS 10.10 or more. You can also do this for Windows and Linux. So now that's going to install. And that when that is done installing, I'll be back. Alright guys, so once that's done, your download is going to be done. You can go ahead and close or quit Chrome. Now the link will be in the description below, just letting you know, or you can type it in. So now you can just go ahead and go to your downloads folder, or if you don't know how to get there, you can go to Finder, go to Downloads, which should be in the sidebar. Now what you want to do is you want to take your file and you're just going to double click it. And you're going to click Continue. And it's going to say it's going to take this amount of space on your Mac. Go ahead and click OK. Now you're going to type in your password. That's just going to go ahead and install it. Now this doesn't take very long. And if you guys want to see the installation for the OBS Classic, which is an older version, then let me know. Go ahead and click Close. Move to Trash if you want to move it to Trash. In this case, I usually empty my folder out, but I'll do it later. So now you can just go ahead and empty your trash. Whoops. Now if you go to the App Launcher, or sorry, Launchpad, it should be right here. Now I usually put this in video, and I like to add it to my my dock. Now you can just go ahead and open it up. Now this is how you install OBS Studio on Mac, and I will be actually having a larger screen from now on because the screen cracked on my Mac, so I'm just going to use that as a desktop in general. I can fix this later. If you guys want dark mode, just a heads up, you click theme and go to, dark. I like it, and I don't know what this theme is. That is an interesting theme. I like dark better, you little crap. Dark. Okay. Alright, so that is how you install OBS Studio on your Mac, so 2018. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if it sucked. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. If you guys would like to see more content, again, subscribe, share my channel with others, and yeah. See you guys next video, and peace out.